Hi, it's Michele with dailypaybusiness.com, and in this video I want to share with you how you can get daily paying customers. And if you already have an existing business, this video is going to help you realize what you're doing that maybe needs to be changed to help you get daily paying customers. Also, if you're watching this video and you don't have a business yet, you're like, gosh, I just want to learn how I can make daily pay from home, you'll absolutely love this information. So the first thing that is so important when you're making money, you guys, it doesn't matter how great your marketing is if you're not promoting a product that people want, a product that is in high demand. So you can go to Uber Suggest, you can go to Google Trends, you can see what's trending and what's really popular. So you might have a really great product, but you're not getting customers. That's a marketing issue. Maybe you you know how to market, but you don't have a good product. So that's a product issue, right? You got to decide which one it is. So let me share with you why I chose to promote products in the e-learning industry. Matter of fact, I recommend everybody promote a product in the e-learning industry. Google it, you guys. It's the fastest growing industry out there. The big eruption of the e-learning industry was when COVID hit. You guys, prior to that, people would make money in the e-learning, but then when COVID hit, people got bored. So what they do when they got bored? They watched every social media or every Netflix movie they could get. They scrolled on social media enough and they got bored. So they went on their computer. How to learn to crochet from home, how to learn to speak Spanish from home, how to learn to play piano from home. They started Googling all this stuff and they were able to Google it, find a course and buy it and learn a new skill from home in the comfort of their own home, and they fell in love with it. Well, then what happened is when the country opened back up again, a lot of people lost their job. A lot of people, their business couldn't even open again. And people started looking for jobs and nobody was hiring at this time. So people were struggling. So again, people went back to their computer and are like, how can I make money from home? How can I have a side hustle from home? How can I earn an income in the digital world? How can I earn an income from my phone, right? And people started searching and Googling, and they started finding courses and programs, and they would buy them, and it was working. And they started making money from home because they equipped themselves with the skill that they needed to make that income. So why am I having this conversation with you? Because right now, the e-learning industry does $1 billion a day. It's projected to be a $1 trillion year industry over the next few years. So is there money to be made in this industry? Yes. Why wouldn't you want to promote a product in the e-learning industry? I don't care if you promote 4 or 5 or 6 other products. You need to promote something in the e-learning industry. I discovered this a year ago. Here's what I loved. It was done for you, proven to work digital products. I immediately got 4 income streams, immediately 100% profit. Get paid what you're worth. You should make 100% profit. Now, the question I had when I heard that was, well, but how does a company make money if we make 100% profit? They make the money because they set up our website for us, which eliminates tech and time. So you guys, I went from struggling trying to make an income in network marketing to within 2 days had a full functioning automated online business ready to take payments into my bank account. That was September 10th when I purchased. September 12th, I got my website and my business was set up. I had my first $300 day on the 13th. 13th, and then a $600 day, then a $300, then a $900. I couldn't even wrap my head around it. And I've been following this process, this system I followed. Matter of fact, this was the day I had yesterday. That was my day yesterday and already today as well. As I'm sharing with you, there is so much money to be made in digital marketing if you do it the right way. So let's recap. You have to be promoting a product in high demand. Secondly, you need to know how to market the right way. Okay, that is one of the most important things you could do. How are you marketing? You can't just post on social media. You actually need to attract customers to you. And that's what I teach you inside the mentoring that I do. I literally show you step by step how to attract your customers to you. I show you how to follow a 2-hour work process. Can you imagine working 2 hours a day and learning the skills to make daily pay? So you can start making $300 a day, then $600 a day, then $900 a day, then $1,000 a day. You can do it. Your holidays can be completely different this year. So recap, promote a product in high demand, know how to market the right way. The third, and you guys, you got to have it automated. I actually give you a pre-built, done for you system, right? It's so important that you have a done for you system. Here's the system that I give you. You guys can check it out. It's dailypaybusiness.com. I give you this page, and I give you this page, which is the video page, and I give you this page, which is the thank you and the video page. You get these 3 pages. So why do I give them to you? That way I can help you get them to convert. I do live mentoring calls. Like this week, I'm teaching inside my community how to go 0 followers, 0 experience to 6 figures in 6 months. I'm teaching that inside my community. Then every week, every Tuesday, we're gonna get on a live Zoom where I'm gonna hold you accountable so you can be earning 6 figures. Imagine in 6 months from now, you've made enough money through working 2 hours a day, fully automated business, rejection-free automated business, and you've made 100,000. Who wouldn't wanna learn those skills? I literally walk you through step by step how I do that. And so that's something, next part that's important. So product in high demand, know how to market, automate, and then have a mentor. That's why a lot of people aren't successful. They do not have a mentor that can show them how to get there because they've been there before. And that's what I do. And I actually, once you purchase your digital product, you get the mentoring for free. I do it for the whole entire community, and you get to be part of a thriving community. Okay, let me show you our community. Our community is absolutely amazing, and this is a community you get to be part of for free. We have over 3,400 people inside our community. They get to love on each other, they get to celebrate each other, they get to be validated. It's pretty awesome. And here's all the additional trainings that you get. I equip you with a video every day. You get to wake up with a video that will drive results. And I will show you how to do all of this following a 2-hour work process. So you guys, Daily Pay Blueprint works. I'm literally going to show you over these next 6 months how to go from 0 to 6 figures in 6 months. Aren't you ready to learn these skills? It's time. It's time. You know how to have a product that's in high demand, so you know people want it. You'll make money that way. You will learn exactly how to market for free. This is no monthly expenses whatsoever, right? And you're also going to get a fully automated pre-built system for free. It doesn't cost you anything, right? You're gonna get the mentoring. I'm gonna equip you with what you need, okay? To make Daily Pay, make 6 figures in 6 months. Now you just gotta show up, and you gotta put the work in. You'll be equipped with the proven system. Then it's you. You just gotta take the courage to take action, because when you do, your world can change. You can make the rest of this year the best part of this year, and you can completely change 2024. It can be the best year of your life. So if you're ready, just go to dailypaybusiness.com, check it out, and I look forward to working with you.